Today, Wednesday, April 28th, I am here inside my store. Outside is a heavy sandstorm and from a strong wind and a cloudy skies. Maybe at a moment or any time from now, the rain will come. You see, sandstorm hits luliya, Sharjah, UAE. See the sky, see the wind. Too much heavy wind. That's coming up. Two-day sandstorm today. Wednesday more afternoon. The rain is coming. It's very dangerous to stroll around, especially when you are driving. Guys, be careful. It's a bad weather today. Having bad weather today, it's very dangerous to us. And I feel lightning. I saw lightning. Maybe the rain is coming. Since Ramadan coming, it's Ramadan time now. We are in the middle of Ramadan. Stay safe, guys, and pray to God for this situation, especially in the pandemic time. Be careful, everyone. God bless.